What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about the top 5 winning products for September. So these products that I'm about to show you have been proven to sell and they've sold in the past, and ones that have a lot of potential and don't have that many competitors. So for the very first product, we're going to be talking about the portable Apple charger. Now I'm sure you guys have seen this product before. It is shown up on like Facebook and TikTok. Now the reason why I chose this product specifically is because it's very unique, and people that have Apple Watches and people that buy like Apple devices tend to spend a lot more on these types of products. And you can take it from me, I've sold wireless chargers for Apple users, and they were spending tons and tons of money on these types of products for tons of accessories and at an amazing conversion rate. So for this specific product, when you go and watch the ad, we'll watch it here. So I'll go ahead and play this. It says, I found a solution to charge your Apple Watch on the go. It even attaches to your keychain and even charges in your car. And when you go on AliExpress, you guys can see that has over 7,000 orders and 1,100 reviews with 4.6 review stars. Now that is a lot of orders, so that does mean that the product is in demand and that people will actually want to purchase it. Another thing that you guys should pay attention to as well, that regardless of the product, is the cost of goods. You can literally get this for $4 free shipping to United States, Canada, and we can sell this for around $24.99. Now if you go to this competitor's website, the website kind of sucks. Like, all their images aren't all that great. They could do a better job of setting up the variants, the branding on their website. The logo kind of sucks. So there's a lot of room for improvement, which is definitely something that you guys want to be looking for when you want to test out products. Like, these are terrible picks. What can you improve on to make better for customers to want to buy your product over competitors? I also was scoping around on TikTok, and I did find some accounts that are trying to sell this actively. So these videos were actually posted within the past couple of days. Like, this one got 2,500 views, 8,000 reviews. And you don't see that much traction here, but the account is pretty new. But I still think that this has a ton of potential if you guys do wind up selling it. And the profit margins for this is absolutely insane, $20.99. I would say probably on the high end, I would try to sell these for around $20 or so. But you can't really go wrong with that profit margin, so I highly recommend that you guys test this out. And another thing too you can test on TikTok is different interests, right? So you can target Apple Watch, chargers, wireless chargers. Another thing too, if you use PP ads, you can actually look at some of the like the ads of a certain product. Now it is limited though, because you have to be on their monthly plan, which is like $100+. But you can see that they've been running these ads for the past couple of days, maybe a week or so. And they're 13-second long videos, and when you go to watch it, they have a decent like rate, which is 2% or above. So usually videos that get like a 2% or above like rate, when you look at them on like PP ads, is a good sign that it's something that's catching people's attention and it has some sort of wow factor. And then also you guys can scroll down here and you can see that they're slowly going up and scaling up this product, putting more money towards their ad spending. So that is a good sign that the product is working, because you have to ask yourself, like, why would somebody scale a product, or why would people dump more money into ads if it was not working? So they could still be testing it as well, but I do think that this is a potential product that you guys should be testing out. Now for the next product, we're going to be talking about the RGB Ring Light. Now for this specific product, this is one that I think that has a ton of potential, and I can't really find that many people selling it, but I think it has a lot of potential, especially on Facebook. So if we go ahead and look at this product here, we're going to look at it on AliExpress first, right? So you guys can see here, this product has 4.8 review stars, which is awesome. It has 160 reviews and 500 orders. And if you guys watch me a lot, you do know that I like to test out unsaturated products, and products that are below 1,000 orders and have really good reviews is a really good sign of a product that has potential, but no one is really selling it. But you guys can see here, you can get this product for $25, and I'd recommend selling it for at least $60 on TikTok or on Facebook. That way you get a decent profit margin. This will probably be something that does a little bit better on Facebook, mainly because it's a higher price product, and higher price items don't really perform that well on TikTok. You'll get a profit margin for around $35 to $40. Another reason why I did list this product is because it has a really good wow factor, right? Like, these types of products do very well on Facebook and TikTok, mainly because they stand out. These types of RGB LED types of products are really good for people that want to have amazing lighting in their backgrounds. A lot of influencers use stuff just like this, so that's why I think this has a lot of potential. And when I went to actually look at the video of the product, the person selling this had a absolutely terrible ad. There was terrible lighting, and they had horrible text, and it was just like, you could do a lot better than this. And like I say all the time, if you can find a product that's currently either selling or one that you think has a lot of potential, and there's competitors that have like a terrible website or terrible ad, that is room for you to jump on the product and absolutely kill it. So this is definitely a product that I do recommend that you guys sell. And when we go to the actual website, you guys can see here that it's not that bad of a website. They have some pictures here, they have some GIFs demonstrating the product, they have decent descriptions, but honestly for something like this, I would spice up the description just a bit, talking about the different features, who the product is for, why would somebody buy this product, stuff like that, and I promise you'll probably get a better conversion rate. And if you guys are going to be testing this type of product, whether it's on TikTok or on Facebook, I do recommend that you target the interests that are related to lamps, gaming, decor, and home improvement. And if you can actually market this type of product as like some sort of gaming device as opposed to some regular old LED RGB lamp, I think that you can actually appeal to a different niche of people and find a really cool marketing angle that can make you a lot of money. So with all that being said, let's get right into the next product. All right, guys, so for the next product, we're going to be talking about the laser leg hair remover. Now for this specific one, this has actually been a very big winning product on Facebook. There have been a lot of different variants of the specific product. I'm sure you guys have seen Hey Silky Skin. They're actually like a multi-million-dollar e-commerce store, and there have been separate brands that have rose up over the time that have sold these variants of it just like this one. And because it's been a winning product on Facebook, a lot of these types of products are doing well on TikTok too, because beauty is a very big niche. And I actually saw a couple of competitors that are actually killing it with this specific product. You guys can see here we have goodnights.com, and they have a handful of different ads. So if we take a look at this one right here, this ad is 20 seconds long, and you could literally make content for this so easily, right? Like if you're somebody that has hair on their legs, especially if you're a guy, like it's pretty easy to make content with this type of stuff. You wouldn't have to send it to any types of influencers or anything like that in the beginning. You could literally go on Amazon, order the product to your house, and create your own content, which is a plus. And I also found this ad as well. You guys can see here, this is a completely separate competitor. So there are a couple people selling this exact same product, and we go to their actual website, you can see that they have a pretty nice website. They have different bundle deals. I'm not really sure what theme this is, but they're doing a pretty good job. They have GIFs on their website as well. Everything's super organized and looks really nice. But this is a proven product, you guys. This is a product that has already made a ton of sales, specifically on Facebook, and is starting to arise again on TikTok. Now, when we go to the actual AliExpress product link, you guys can see that you can get this product for $8.75, and this is actually on the very low end for a type of laser epilator. Most laser epilators that you see out there on AliExpress and stuff like that are kind of expensive. They're like $15, $20 plus. So this is actually a very profitable type of product that you could sell, and you can literally sell this for at least $29.99, just like these competitors right here, and you can play around with the price. So there's a lot of room for profit in your margins. Obviously, we're not including ad costs, but because we're going to be able to sell this product for at least 3 times of what we're getting it for on AliExpress, I think it's a really good option to test. And you can see that they have different variants as well for, I guess, different parts you can buy for it. And it has over 1,900 orders, which is a good sign that it's in demand and that people want this. Now, if you guys are going to be advertising this product using paid ads, the interests that I do recommend that you test are beauty, skincare, hair, and personal health. Now, I think you can actually do this by doing organic TikTok as well. Like if you literally order this product off of Amazon, I can go look on Amazon right now for this product. So when we go on Amazon, there's a handful of different listings. You guys can see I found this one right here. Doesn't seem to have the best reviews in the world, but I'm sure you guys can find a good listing. You can find one that has better reviews for you guys to order and create content with. Like literally, you guys, just imagine the organic reach and capabilities you can have, especially with the like influencer marketing for this specific product. It's a pretty cheap product, and there's just a ton of people that you can market this product to, which is awesome for scalability and building a long-term brand. All right, you guys, so for this next product, we're going to be talking about the Crease Guards. Now, this product has actually been selling really well, and as you guys probably know, TikTok is a really big platform for a lot of sneakerheads and people that just love shoes. And this product, I found a handful of competitors with, and one of these competitors specifically is selling a lot of these units, and they just started their store not too long ago. And so the first main store we're going to be looking at is Crease Guard. Now, these guys have an amazing website, you guys. I think they have their own custom packaging and stuff like that too. But you can see that these are these guards that you can put in the front of your shoe, so that are made of this hard plastic that'll prevent your shoe from creasing. And this is going to be especially important for people that love, Jordans and stuff like that. So, and the cool thing that I like about this product too is that it's a one size fit all. And this competitor right here actually has a lot of really good images and amazing packaging. I think they have really good ads too. So let's take a look at this ad right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, they got stickers. They got like customized logos and stuff like that they put on their product. And this video is only 10 seconds long. It probably has, a couple million views. And they also have an account on TikTok that has over 100,000 followers, which is pretty awesome. And the main thing that I do like about this product as well is that it's actually pretty cheap to source, depending on, the color that you want, or maybe like the sizing or whatever. But this thing has over 1,400 orders and it has 132 reviews at 4.7 stars, which is a good sign that this product has been selling and that it is good quality. They literally look like they have the same pair of shoes that they're using in every single video. So something like this is a really good example of a product that I would try to sell, mainly because of how easy it is to create content with. And on top of that, the profit margins are very good as well. If you go on their website, so I guess you get 2 of them with that, it's $20, and let's just assume that they're making maybe $17, $18 of profit per unit. I'm sure at this point they probably started ordering them in bulk and everything like that. And the product page is very simple as well. Not much to talk about, I guess, which is understandable because this is a very simple product. And then another brand I was looking at as well is Sneak Hair. So these guys are doing the exact same thing. It seems like they have a much more, bigger variety of different shoes and stuff like that and different shoe protectors. Let me see here. So they actually have this like silicone thing you can put on the bottom of your soles as well, which is pretty cool. And when we go to their actual website, I know these guys are making some money because I've seen their paid ads. I've seen, how much engagement their videos get, and they're selling this for $20 as well. They have different bundle deals. Their website does not look as good though, but they don't even have reviews on this, which is pretty crazy. So it seems like these two brands are trying to replicate each other, and this is a perfect example of a TikToker. Look at this, 23 million views. I'm sure they made thousands of dollars off of this video. 1.4 million views, 5 million views. Like 3 million views. Like, this product is very good, and I think you guys would have, and I think it has a lot of potential for you to sell, especially if you want to go the organic route and just sell this product without having to run paid ads for it, because I feel like something like this you can have a really high profit margin on, and then once you prove it organically and it works for you organically, you can start running paid ads towards it and start scaling to the moon. And I do think that these crease guards are going to be very important for the last couple months of the year at least. Now, going on to the fifth and final product, we have the wooden phone charging stand. So for this specific product, I thought it was a really cool one to list, mainly because there weren't that many competitors, and it was something super unique that I didn't see a lot of people selling, right? Like, you go on Amazon, you can see that it has good reviews, and then also that, there's different variants for it, and it's something that really stood out to me as something that had, a wow factor, right? Like, if you're scrolling on your TikTok or Facebook feed, this is something that would catch your attention immediately, which is exactly what you would want. So I went ahead and did a little bit more research on this product, and basically how it works is it'll actually hold your phone and charge your Apple Watch wirelessly. So it's not a wireless charger for your phone, unfortunately, but it does hold your phone conveniently, and you can sort of like wiggle the charging wire through the bottom and charge your phone that way. But it does wirelessly charge your Apple Watch, which is great. And there are a ton of different like pictures and different content that you guys can be using to create a product page or even a one product store around this product. And you know me, I sold products just like these, and I think these have a lot of potential. So you guys can see here on AliExpress, it only has one order. You can get it for $8.90, and then for shipping it's $3.20. So at the end of the day, I think this is a pioneer product, or a product that has a ton of potential that you guys could be testing. And there are tons of, like, it blows my mind how many good images there are you can be using for it. Another cool thing about this product that I think is super unique is the fact that you could use this, like, people love home decor items, or like products that not only serve a purpose or solve a problem, but they look good, at your desk or in your living space. And you can see you can sell it for $29.99. In total, you're spending around $12 in total for like cost of goods. So I would sell it for at least $30. And then also, if you're going to be running paid ads, you can, target chargers, wireless chargers, Apple devices. And also, when I went on TikTok, I couldn't really find any videos talking about this product, or, really any videos of this product. So what I would do if I were you is order this product off of Amazon and create your own content with it. So I think this has a lot of potential that I haven't seen anywhere across any platform on Facebook or on TikTok, which is a good sign that there aren't any competitors and that you can take over the market for it. And with that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and have a handful of really good product ideas you could test. And if you guys are interested in getting winning products similar to these every single day, and then also a free dropshipping course, you guys can check out my description down below. We have over 100 people in our membership so far, and we have a handful of people making money just with TikTok organic traffic. So if you guys want to check that out, you can check it out below. With that being said, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Peace out.